1 minute, ma'am.
Okay. Page number 73. Hmm.
Ma'am, from burning of coal and
Yeah.
diesel,
Yeah.
burning of coal. Ma'am, from there,
Yeah. You read.
bu- burning of coal and diesel releases sulfur dioxide gas.
Hmm.
It is an extremely suffocating and corrosive gas. Moreover, petrol engines give off gaseous oxides of nitrogen.
Gaseous oxides of
Ox-
nitrogen. Hmm.
Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen dissolve in rain water and forms acid.
Hmm.
Such rain is called acid rain.
Yeah. Such rain is
It,
called acid rain.
it is very harmful for crops, building and soil.
Okay, that's enough. So the fourth disadvantage or the fourth harmful effect due to the burning of fuel is fuel
Causes
is
acid rain.
yeah, that is acid rain. How this acid rain is produced? The burning of coal and diesel, they releases sulfur dioxide gas. Sulfur dioxide gas into the atmosphere. Burning of coal and diesel, they releases sulfur dioxide gas. Indeed, it is an extremely suffocating and corrosive gas. What do you mean by corrosive? Corrosion?
Unpleasant smell.
That we already learned in chapter 4, metals and non-metals. Did you remember that one? The rusting of iron that we learned.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that is corrosion. When the metals react with oxygen and form their oxides, metal oxides, it is known as corrosion. So,
Okay.
in the case of the sulfur dioxide, it easily reacts with oxygen and it is easily dissolved in air. That's it is corrosive gas. And suffocating means suffocating,
Unable to breathe.
Ma'am,
unable to breathe. So this burning of coal and diesel, they releases sulfur dioxide gas and it is an extremely suffocating and corrosive gas. Then their petrol engines, they give off oxides of nitrogen also. So sulfur dioxide along with that oxides of nitrogen. This is also oxide of sulfur and it is known as sulfur dioxide. So the sulfur dioxide and oxides of nitrogen, they dissolve in rainwater. That forms acid rain. Clear? So the burning of coal and diesel, they releases sulfur dioxide gas. Along with that, the petrol engines also give gaseous oxides of nitrogen. So both the oxides of nitrogen and sulfur, they combines with the rainwater in the atmosphere and forms acid rain. Clear? So this is the fourth harmful effect due to the burning of fuel. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. This acid rain, it is harmful for crops. It will destroy crops, then soil, then buildings. Then it will also cause skin diseases to living beings. Okay. So these all are the harmful effects due to the burning of fuels. First one, it causes respiratory disease, asthma. Second one, it releases carbon monoxide gas. It is very poisonous. Third one, it releases enormous amount of carbon dioxide gas and it will lead to global warming. And the fourth one, the oxides of sulfur and nitrogen, it will mix with rainwater and forms acid rain. Clear? This is clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, oxide of sulfur, and in that you have written oxide of nitrogen.
Yeah, that is, this one is oxide of nitrogen. And sulfur dioxide, that is the oxide of sulfur. Okay?
Okay.
You asked what is oxide of nitrogen, right, Midun?
Yes, yes.
Nitrogen dioxide.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, these four are the harmful effects due to the burning of fuels. Mishal, can you tell me which are the four harmful effects due to the burning of fuels? Evelyn, Safa, Adnan, Thomas, Devika, Krishnaveni, Abhishek, switch on your videos. Okay, Mishal, read. Mishal. Okay, Sarhad, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, which are the four harmful effects due to the burning of fuels?
Pollution, പിന്നെ respiratory problem,
Yeah, respiratory problems such as asthma. Then
പിന്നെ
it releases,
harmful gases,
which are they? Which are that harmful gases?
carbon dioxide,
One more.
um,
Carbon monoxide. Okay.
carbon monoxide.
Yeah, this carbon dioxide, the excess amount of carbon dioxide will cause what? Elena, can you tell me the remaining 2 points?
Ma'am, acid rain.
Huh?
Acid rain.
Yeah, acid rain. The enormous amount of carbon dioxide will lead to? Tell me.
Can you say the question again? Can you repeat it?
Yeah, the enormous amount of carbon dioxide will lead to dash.
Ma'am, global warming.
Yeah, global warming, right? So these four are the major effects due to the burning of fuels. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then there is one suitable fuel that's suggested by them. Who will read the remaining portion?
Ma'am.
Yeah, you will read. You can read.
Ma'am, the use of automobiles from there.
Yeah, the use of diesel and petrol as fuels.
The use of diesel and petrol as fuels in automobiles is being replaced by CNG, compressed natural gas, because CNG produces the harmful products in very small amounts. CNG is a cleaner fuel.
Yeah. So we can use CNG instead of diesel and petrol, because we already learned what are the advantages of CNG.
Ma'am, it is available through pipes.
Yeah, it is available through pipes. Then
It is a cleaner fuel.
it is a cleaner fuel. It releases only few amount of harmful products. It releases only few amount of. Shivanya, please continue that sentence. Replaced by CNG.
Is being replaced by CNG, compressed natural gas, because CNG produces the harmful products in very small amounts. CNG is a cleaner fuel.
Yeah, that's it. The use of diesel and petrol in automobiles can be replaced by CNG, compressed natural gas, because it produces less amount of harmful products into the atmosphere. It's a cleaner fuel and it can be transported through pipes. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we finish this chapter, but before that, we skip certain boxes. Take page number 69. Page number 69.
And that box, fire extinguisher.
Yeah. that we have to learn. Michelle, can you read that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
The most common fire extinguisher is water.
Hmm.
But water works only when things like wood and paper are on fire.
Hmm.
If electrical equipment is on fire, water may conduct electricity and harm those trying to douse the fire.
Hmm.
Water is also not suitable for fires involving oil and petroleum.
Petrol.
Petrol. Do you recall that water is heavier than oil? So it sinks below the oil and oil keeps burning on the top.
Okay, that's enough. So we commonly used fire extinguisher as water, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yes,
it can
ma'am.
be only used in the case of wood and paper on fire. We cannot use water in the case of electrical equipments on fire. Okay, we cannot use water in the case of electrical equipments on fire. What's the reason?
Because water
Ma'am,
also
because if
electricity.
electrical equipments, ma'am, they will again harm the people doing so.
Yeah, water is a good conductor of electricity.
Electricity.
So this electricity is passed through the water and it will harm the person who uses water. Okay, he will get shock. That's why we cannot use water as a fire extinguisher in the case of electrical equipments on fire. Clear? And
Yes, ma'am.
also we cannot use water in the case of fires involving oil and petrol. Okay, fires involving oil and petrol, we cannot use water. What's the reason?
And because they are heavier than water.
Yeah, this oil and petrol, which one is heavier? Yeah,
Water.
water
Water.
is heavier than oil and
And
petrol.
petrol.
So water always in the bottom of that container, and this oil and petrol on the top of that container. So it will continue the fire. No use with water. Clear?
Yes,
That's the
ma'am.
reason we cannot use water. It sinks below the oil and oil keeps burning on the top. Then what all things we can use in the case of the electrical equipments on fire? Who will read the remaining?
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
Yvonne.
Ma'am.
Who?
Fourth. Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Say your name.
Ma'am.
Can I read?
Dion.
Okay. I think
Ma'am
Yvonne
Dion.
already read one portion, right?
Shangari is asking.
Okay, I
Shangari
know.
is asking.
Yeah, I know. Read. Please switch on your video, then read. Okay, read. Remaining.
For fires
Hmm.
involving electrical equipments and inflammable materials like petrol,
Hmm.
carbon dioxide is the best extinguisher.
Hmm.
Uh, Being heavier than oxygen covers the fire like a blanket.
Yeah.
Since the contact between the fuel and oxygen is cut off,
Hmm.
the fire is controlled.
Yeah.
The added advantages of CO2 is that in most cases it does not harm the electric equipments.
Okay, that's enough. So in the case of the fires involving the electrical equipments and inflammable materials like petrol, we can use carbon dioxide, CO2, because it is heavier than oxygen and it will covers the oxygen like a blanket and it prevents the passage of oxygen into the combustible material. So this carbon dioxide is used as a extinguisher in the case of fires involving electrical equipment and petrol and diesel. Clear? Then, Adnan, can you read the remaining portion? One more paragraph is there.
Ma'am, it's page number.
Huh?
Page number.
It's asking the page number.
Huh? 69. So, this much time you are looking for page number
Ma'am, I just
16,
got page number 73.
23, page number 69. You see that yellow box?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Read the third paragraph.
How do we get the supply of carbon dioxide?
Hmm.
It can be stored at high pressure as a liquid in cylinders.
Hmm.
In what form is the LPG stored in cylinders?
Hmm.
When released from the cylinder, CO2 expands enormously in volume and cools down.
Hmm.
So it not only forms a blanket around the fire,
Hmm.
it also brings down the temperature of the fuel.
Yeah.
That is why it is an excellent fire extinguisher.
Hmm.
Another way to get CO2 is to release a lot of dry powder to chemicals like sodium
Bicarbonate.
bicarbonate, baking soda, or potassium bicarbonate.
Bicarbonate. Hmm.
Near the fire, these chemicals give off CO2.
Yeah. How do we get the supply of this carbon dioxide? Okay. It can be stored at high pressure as a liquid. CO2 is a gas, right? But we can apply high pressure and converted it into liquid and stored in cylinders. Like the LPG stored in the cylinders. Okay. And when it released from this cylinder, what happens? CO2 expands enormously in volume and they cools down. So, it,
Um,
yeah,
I'm
Midhu,
LPG for
liquefied petroleum gas that we
okay,
used in our cylinders for cooking.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, this CO2, it not only forms as a blanket, but also bring down the temperature of the fuel. Okay. It will lower the temperature below the ignition temperature. And that's why it is used as an excellent fire extinguisher. And there are certain sources for this carbon dioxide, that is a dry powder of chemicals like sodium bicarbonate and potassium bicarbonate. These two chemicals contains carbon dioxide. So when we use these chemicals in the case of the fires involving electrical equipment, what happens? Carbon dioxide is already produced there, and it will helps to extinguish fire. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So we already covered our portions, chapter 3, 4, 5 and 6. So from next day onwards, we will start our revision. Okay? So for next Friday, uh, we can learn this chapter, half of this chapter. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Half means page number 64 to
69.
uh,
69.
yeah, 69, including that explosion.
Ma'am,
Means
that bracket also you have to study that.
which bracket?
After that flame.
About
Midun, which one?
fire extinguisher.
Explosion.
Up to play.
Ask one by one.
Ma'am,
Till
till
flame. No
explosion.
need to learn flame. Till flame. Okay? Means
Okay,
till
ma'am.
explosion. Then
Okay,
what
ma'am.
about Midun?
And that box also you have to study fire extinguisher.
Yeah.
69.
Yeah. Yes,
Ma'am,
dear.
is it MCQ written?
You have to prepare for written.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So the topics combustion, fuel, examples of fuel.
Ma'am,
Then, yeah.
the notes which you're sending have no questions.
Yes, my
This
little
chapter. Yeah.
confused.
This chapter.
Ma'am, this
Not that, ma'am, you have sending the notes.
notes
Ma'am,
that
for
the
how
question is
much
not there.
marks?
Okay, wait. I will send the notes, that only daily notes, right?
Yes,
And I
ma'am.
will also send the exercises that's behind your chapter that you have to learn. And I will also send you the questions from this chapter revision. No need to worry.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So you just learn these topics. What do you mean by combustion? What do you mean by combustible material or fuel? Examples for fuels. The next one, what all things needed for the combustion to take place? Then what do you mean by ignition temperature? Then inflammable substance, methods to control fire, types of combustion. For the next class.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Clear?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
the back exercise also.
Yeah. Related to this topics. The
Okay.
Ma'am,
question
for how
related.
much mark? Mr. Revision.
That's
And
yeah, out of 10 to 15 or something.
Ma'am, revision is also written.
Yeah,
Okay,
written.
ma'am.
No MCQ.
Okay, ma'am.
our final exam is
That's not yet decided.
okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then we have to discuss that exercises behind the chapter. All of you take page number 75.
Okay, ma'am.
Fill in the blanks.
Yeah. Midun,
Yes, ma'am.
you can choose one color.
Ma'am, you choose red.
Red. Okay,
It's
read the first.
always. Ma'am is always choosing red.
Okay, different color. Choose another one.
Ma'am, you
Midun.
red,
Huh?
red.
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 Okay. Okay, read the first question.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
list condition under which combustion can take place.
Yeah, list the conditions under which combustion can take place. So, Midun, you have the opportunity to answer the first question. Tell me, what are the conditions needed for the combustion to take place? Yeah, Midun, tell me. There are three things needed.
Ma'am, low ignition.
Yeah, that means heat, right?
Heat.
Heat. Then next one.
Ma'am, air,
Very good. Air. That is oxygen.
oxygen.
Hello, ma'am. Shankari, pause the.
Tell me the third point. Anyone can tell me.
Ma'am, fuel.
Yeah, it's fuel. Very good. So these are the three conditions in which combustion can take place. Then do you want select one color?
Ma'am, white.
Huh?
Ma'am, black.
White in the whiteboard. Okay. Read the second question A. Read.
Burning food and coal causes dash.
Burning of
Pollution.
wood and coal causes dash of air. What's your answer? Which one?
Pollution.
Very good. Pollution.
Pollution.
Yeah. Pollution. Then Shivanya, you can select one color.
Ma'am, blue.
Yeah. Then read the B question.
Okay, ma'am. A liquid fuel used in homes is dash.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Which one?
LPG.
Very good. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Then Shankari, Anu, you can select one color and read the next question. Anu, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, select one color.
Ma'am, in second one, kerosene we can
Light blue.
LPG is the correct liquid fuel. Kerosene also, but you should write LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Okay, Midun? Yeah. Yeah, Anu, which color? Anu, are you there?
I think she is having some connectivity issues.
Okay, Fatima Shasa, you can select one color.
Ma'am, blue.
Okay, blue. Then read the C question. Read. Hmm.
Fuel must be heated to its dash and dash before it starts burning.
Yeah, fuel must be heated to its dash before it starts burning. What's your answer? Fuel must be heated till where?
Ma'am, ignition
Yeah,
Ma'am,
temperature.
that
ignition
is
temperature.
ignition temperature. Ignition temperature. Then Gobi Krishna,
Yes, ma'am.
you can select one color and read the next question.
Ma'am, green.
Yeah, green. Then read the D question.
Fire produced by oil cannot be controlled by.
Dash. Which one? That we learned today. Fire
Ma'am,
produced by oil cannot be.
water.
Yeah,
Water.
that is water. Okay, so that's about first and second question. Then I will send you the remaining questions through the WhatsApp. Okay, now the time is
Okay, ma'am.
up. That's why. And you should learn from page number 64 to
69.
69, including explosion. That means page number 70 before flame. Okay, for the next class. Clear?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
I will mark your attendance. Okay. So thank you all. See you next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, I am present. Dion.
Yeah, okay. I will mark your attendance. No need to
Yes,
worry.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Alan
ma'am.
is present. Alan.
Yeah, I can see everyone. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.